Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you are trying to power off your iPhone but you're facing this message that iPhone findable after power off. Here I will show you what it is and how it works. So guys, basically if you enable Find My in your Apple device and if you turn off your Apple device, still your iPhone will be findable if someone tracks it. So guys, as you can see, this is a stolen device protection feature. If you enable Find My feature on your Apple device and if someone stores your iPhone and he turns it off, still you will be able to track your iPhone if it is powered off. So guys, basically if you turn on Find My on your Apple device and if you turn off your device, still you will be able to track your device using Find My. And here I will show you how can you enable Find My to track your iPhone. So guys, for that you have to simply open settings in your device and then tap on your profile and now scroll it below and tap on Find My. And here you can see this. If you turn on Find My iPhone and if you turn it on and if you set it up on your device, then your iPhone will be trackable and you will be able to track it anywhere and anytime, whether if it is off or on. So guys, basically this is a feature to protect your device from stealing. So guys, this is the way which you can use to enable or disable Find My iPhone on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.